Today's video is all about the DIY projects I made for Willow's birthday party. They're really simple. I did these kind of sporadically leading up to the day of her party, and they're actually surprisingly easy. So I'm going to walk through those projects today, and hopefully they'll inspire you to make some things for your own parties coming up. They're very simple, and I'm excited to walk through them. Although a baby does not need a candle on their birthday cake to blow out, I thought it was a cute little addition to make a beeswax candle from a kit that we already have at our house. We make these candles every week, and this was a fun little addition to the top of Willow's cake. So I just cut out a smaller rectangle and cut the wick to size, and I rolled it from one end to the other and squeezed the beeswax in place to make it stick together. Then it just makes a small little candle to the size and the shape that you want. My husband Jordan volunteered to make Willow's birthday cake for her, and he made it out of a recipe from eating bird food that I will link below. And it actually turned out so delicious. We used whipping cream for the icing and blended that up in the stand mixer. It was a little hard to put on the cake, as you can see, but we finally got there, and I think it turned out so cute.
Happy birthday, dear Willow.
For the party cake, I went ahead and bought 2 grocery store cakes and stacked them on top of each other. I scraped off all the icing and kept it in a bowl, and after I used a bench scraper to smooth out the icing and take off all the excess little confetti and stuff like that, I smoothed it out, and then I took the icing that I previously removed and reassembled it together. I had previously dried out some flowers, and I pressed those into the icing after everything was said and done. It gives it a very whimsical look, and I like how it turned out. And this was an inexpensive way to achieve a custom cake. For the food, I will link below some recipes that I used to make veggie pizza and some cucumber sandwiches. For everything else, we just got some snacks at Trader Joe's. My friend Kendall put together this floral arrangement using Trader Joe's stems and foraged flowers that we found around town. And we wrapped chicken wire around some floral foam to create the base and to stick all of the floral stems into. For the backdrop of Willow's Cake Smashed, I bought a dropcloth off of Amazon that measures 9 by 12 feet, and then I made a 4-inch tunnel at the top so that it could easily slide on the C-stands that I have. Jordan had the great idea to give all of the kids a little gift. We bought these little jars at Hobby Lobby, and then we filled them with moonsand and put a sticker about Willow's birthday on the front. For Willow's party, I created a crown pattern that you can find linked below, and I just made it out of linen and this chartreuse color linen for the back, and then I lined it and sewed it all together, and I think this would be cute for her to wear every year for her birthday. We'll see if she actually keeps it on for the years to come. If you saw last week's video, you know that I also smocked Willow a dress, and this was a fun, special dress to make for her and a fun technique to learn. Thanks for letting me share these projects with you. If you have any questions, let me know, and I would love to answer them. You can subscribe to this video, and on Mondays we come out with new videos, so I will see you next Monday.